There's like a whole bunch of chickens. Oh, no, not chickens.
Live
turkey.
ones, yeah? Live turkey.
Yeah, turkey. Yeah.
For sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. Yesterday, don't you not see them when we are crossing that road? When we are running, like that busy road when we were.
Oh yeah, no, I did. Yeah,
Yes.
just laughing. You see a lot there.
This area is nice. They were selling it. They sell live chickens, even in Ghana. Wow. Hey, 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 we're in the car in Ghana. Ooh, no more Uber. Hey, hey, hey. Bye bye Uber, bye bye taxi. Hey, 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 bye bye taxi, bye bye Uber. No more taxi, no more Uber. We have our rent. Cindy is good? Hmm?
Thanks.
Thanks, God. This is the best. Today we're gonna do lunch. Yesterday we only went to the mall because we don't have a car.
Yeah.
We only went to the mall and eat and get a SIM card and that's all.
Yeah, nothing really.
We cannot even go from the mall to another place. Every time like we have to get a Uber.
Oh, it's
And
annoying.
that money adds up. It's better than rent. Oh, is that a tourist market? Yeah, we'll come and check it out because it's just behind this market.
Yeah.
The Kwame Nkrumah is just behind the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial. So we are going to Kwame, not Kwame Nkrumah, Kwame Nkrumah Memorial. Is the I think is he the founding father or the one that gave independence to he fought for the independence for Ghanaians. So we are going to his burial ground. So his memorial where he was buried. So, yeah. Stay tuned, people. Your boys in Ghana, in Accra. Yep. I'm excited.
Oh, look,
so look, you see that guy there selling all the mirrors of the car? You see the car thing? That's our super cheap right there. Super cheap auto. Yeah, I don't know whether Australians are watching these videos. You can buy anything you want on the streets of Ghana, from car parts to anything. You're just driving your car and you smash into someone and your headlights are gone. Just keep driving. You buy it from someone eventually.
You're crazy.
You get it on the way. This is Accra for you, Ghana. Yeah.
Wow, the traffic is crazy though.
Yeah, traffic. Look at that fellow on the bicycle.
Wow, look at that. Wow.
Yeah.
What are these blankets?
Blankets. Yeah. How to clean your cars. These are towels to clean your car.
Yeah.
Actually, oh yeah, cool. That is a tourist market. Yeah, craft market. Wow, there's a lot of people. I told you this is the tourist season. Everybody is there. Everyone is there. You see, everyone is there at the moment.
You can off that thing because
Hope it's not paid parking. He's telling me to come. Everything is there. Asking for money everywhere. Look at this guy. He went and employed himself. Look. Money to gain. Look, he gave himself. Hi, how are you? Is that a queue? Or is that okay, hold on. How are you? How are you?
Good. Let me too.
How are you? My sister and my wife. So how do we go in?
Okay, so this is
Okay, all right. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you got everything?
Wow, this is nice.
Hi, how are you? The ticket for free. Maybe kids without kids. Oh, he's free, eh? Oh, 100 CDs each. Oh shit! Let me see. Wait. Wow. Guess what? We left with only 200 each.
Each is 100.
Each 100 bucks. Sorry, $100. No, but we have our passports. They're foreign passports. So if I have a Ghanaian ID, how much is it? 200. Oh, still. I'll be 300. Okay. All right. So we go to the ATM. Nkrumah Memorial, and that's the man himself. And that's the man himself. That's his Cadillac right here. Hey, bro, how are you? So good. That's the man himself. The Cadillac right there. That's the Cadillac. Where you sell the tickets. This is where you sell the tickets. Aquaba. That's very nice place. They have a very nice place. Yeah. African man. African man. Mr. Open. Alright. And there's like bathrooms down here. Dance. Yeah, do him dance. Dance.
It's video around. He doesn't.
Dance.
But he says stop.
Seleku Nkoma and Madam Elizabeth Nyaniba. He was born in Nkrofo in the western part of Ghana. He began his basic education from the Roman Catholic Elementary School. Afterwards, he gained admission into the Ashimoto Training College. In 1947, he actually won a scholarship to the University of Pennsylvania, where he applied. And this park used to be a polo ground for the British back in the day. And Kwame Nkrumah chose this park to show that we're truly restricted from colonial rule. The statues mounted on top of the water are known as hornbills. They are now the residents of the dignity. But they usually
I'm finally here, you know.
How's it feel?
Oh, it's good. It's good, man. I feel good. I feel good, finally.
Just watching it through a screen.
I feel good, I'm here. Yes.
Okay, so this is the museum where Kwame Nkrumah is finally laid to rest. The uppermost part of it looks like a truncated tree. The second one in Nkrofo, and in 1992 he was finally laid to rest here. In 2007, Fathia Nkrumah also passed. Okay, so the statue here used to be a complete statue of Kwame Nkrumah. And during the 1966 riots, his personal properties were vandalized. This happened to be one of them. It used to be at the old Parliament House, opposite this park. And the head there was kept by a patriotic citizen for close to 43 years. And in 2009, she returned it, but she remains anonymous. Yeah, so we are going in the no pictures, no videos.
Oh, no, okay.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
Oh, nice.
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 Nice. This is the best one.
Let me get
Best one ever. I like this one too.
And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
Went from this to this to this one to him having a little bit of a smile on his face, to him laughing, and then wow, you have African unity. Yes. Alright. So it's just like this. And then